Hey there everyone, welcome back again to this PTC Creo series in Engineering with Pritam. In this video, we will talk about blend as a sketch section. In our last video, we have seen how we can utilize blend tool when the sketches or sections are already created. In this video, we're going to do embedded sketches or built-in sketches inside blend tool. So without further ado, let's get started. Now let me click here on new, and then I'm gonna keep everything as it is to quickly get started. Now here I'm gonna go to shape, and then I'm gonna click blend tool. And the benefit of having the sketch section is that you will see a very clean feature tree, because in case of selected section we need to create these sketches first, and that will actually add a lot of features that one can see inside this feature tree. If you are certain that you're not going to use these sketches anywhere else except blend tool, then you can for sure go with sketch section. After selecting sketch section, here we need to click on define, and then we need to select the plane where we will be creating our first sketch. Let's use rectangle here to keep things simplified. Now here, as we have created this first section, we now have option to create second section, which is, I would say, prerequisite of blend tool. And then here we can define the offset value. Let's make it 300. And now again, we can click on sketch, and now we need to plot another sketch. This time let me plot circle, and let's hit OK. And there we go, guys. Here we can see that it is not properly defined, because as we have mentioned in our first video, that in case of blend tool you need to have equal number of vertex. So in case of rectangle, the number of vertex was 4. However, in case of circle, we can see that the vertex are not defined. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to divide this circle in 4 charts so that the circle can also have 4 corners. Now let me hit again OK, and now there we go, guys. Here we can see the blend tool have detected that this section 2, which is circle, also have got 4 sides. And in this way, guys, we can create sketch section type of blend tool. And obviously all the features that also exist with the selected section type blend tool also exists here as well. For example, let's say I would like to start this by forming a normal, and then I'm gonna make it normal to this plane. Now here you can see the start section is normal to the sketching plane. Similarly, we can define similar kind of situation at other end. So in this way, guys, we can further tweak or customize shape based on our requirement. So in this way, guys, you can utilize blend tool to form complex shapes. I hope, guys, you find this video helpful and informational. If yes, then do like and subscribe to Engineering Pritam to follow complete PTC Creo series. And I will catch you soon with one such another tutorial. Till then, you take care and bye-bye.